pocket.
If the car's full of silver, you tell them we far from sober, might pull the cop over. Ask them which way to store, cause I need me some clear I can mix with the soda. Maybe loan me a ticket, I'll email my quota, I call Machiavelli. If I'm faking my death and you fake for a living, who makes it to heaven? If my children ask me where they come from, should I tell them heaven or fucking? Feel a kick on my bitch stomach. She look too slim to have a kid coming, but way too young to have a kid coming. Way too young to have a kid coming. I can't fuck you like I want. I can't fuck you like I want.
I'm dead as fuck.
Passenger side, this side that's fully intact, fully normal. It's pretty good. Nothing on this side, so just gonna compare from the naked eye. Everything seems to be pretty normal. I can't know unless I put it up on an actual alignment machine, get the specifications from everything. So as of right now, it looks normal. Strut tower doesn't seem to be pushed in. Doesn't seem the bolt moved or anything down here. Top looks good.